Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we will explore how to create irregular shaped photo frames in Photoshop. Start by opening a new document and selecting the Custom Shape tool or the Pen tool to draw your unique shape. With the shape selected, go to Layer and choose Convert to Frame, turning it into an editable image container. Drag your photo into the frame. Photoshop automatically clips it to the irregular shape. Double-click inside the frame to adjust scale and positioning so important parts of the image are visible. You can duplicate the frame to create multiple irregular placeholders or combine shapes for complex layouts. Apply subtle layer adjustments like opacity, shadows, or gradient